Hey fellow woodworkers, getting started on our first project for the new year. We've got our MechPow X3 Pro laser engraver here with the extended axis, and it needs a cabinet because when this thing is running it fills the shop with smoke, odors, all kinds of things. That and the sawdust when I'm doing things gets down in the belts, tears up the belts. So I'm going to build a cabinet for it. It's going to be a shaker style cabinet similar to a workbench here. It's going to be probably about 45 inches long. It's something I'm roughly designing as I'm going, getting ideas, trying out, see what things are going to work. So follow along and see how this thing goes. And I'm going to put a link to this engraver down in the comments or in the section below, so you guys can check it out if you're interested in getting into laser engraving. Very nice system, works very well for me. So first thing we're going to do is start milling up some pieces. I'm going to show you real quick roughly what my idea is. So my first idea, the cabinet's going to be 40 inches tall. It's going to have a set of drawers or doors underneath it. The laser is going to be in the top section. It's going to be a frame and panel design all the way around. Right now I've got this set up as 12 inches deep for the rough draft. I'm going to take some measurements here today and maybe move these up a little bit, these center bars right here. And I'm just trying to decide whether I want to go with 3 drawers or 3 doors in the front and 3 divided panels up top, or if I want to go with 4 doors and then the 3 panels. I'm kind of leaning towards that as a better idea. But like I said, I'm designing it on the fly, going to make it custom for it as it goes. It's going to have spots inside or inside here to hold the air pump and the power unit for it. The air assist pump, I should say, and then the power unit for it. So all of that is out of the smoke, so they last longer. So we're going to find out and build it as we go.